Lance Armstrong. This is ridiculous, and I have everything Batman has except one thing. What? Butler. Funny. Oh, come on, dude. You make a great butler. No, just go with it. You're Batnuts Butler. Great. The Nutler. Now, Nutler, go on.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm not going to be your butler.
Hello.
I'm not doing it. Oh, it's not like you have anything else to do. What does that mean? Seriously, what do you do when the other guys and I aren't here? Walk around looking for other folks to stand next to?
You think they're pretty?
You even
Look at Studio. Do you think you're a pretty pussy? Hello? Hi. Come here. Renegade parrot poser. Aww. You're a very pretty cat. Bye bye.